Casa Gana, a masterpiece designed by Dutch architect. Nestled in the serene landscapes of Khao Yai, Thailand, this villa serves as both a tranquil retreat from the bustling city and an intimate venue for weddings. With a total area of 378 square meters, Casa Gana beautifully blends modern architectural aesthetics with the surrounding natural environment. This project prioritizes not just design and function, but also comfort and sustainability. Let's dive deeper into its beauty and unique features. Khao Yai is one of Thailand's most renowned suburban tourist destinations, located just 3 hours away from Bangkok. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, fresh air, and peaceful atmosphere, this region provides the perfect backdrop for Casa Gana. Situated on a 600-square-wa plot, the villa is surrounded by lush hills, offering an ideal space for relaxation and private celebrations. One of the main challenges of this project was the lower elevation of the site compared to its surroundings. To address this, subterranean stones were excavated and repurposed as retaining walls, eliminating the need for pile driving. This innovative solution not only ensured structural stability but also aligned with the project's environmentally friendly approach. The design of Casa Gana prioritizes privacy and comfort. The facade is kept solid to block direct views from the main road. However, behind this imposing exterior lies a narrow entryway that leads to a tranquil main courtyard. This transition creates an inviting atmosphere, setting the tone for the serene indoor spaces that follow. The courtyard serves as a key element in the overall experience, with its greenery and natural materials beginning to showcase the villa's core design philosophy. Stepping into the first floor, you're greeted by an open-plan living area designed for maximum flexibility. A standout feature is the floor-to-ceiling glass wall on the west side, offering panoramic views of the surrounding hills. This living area seamlessly connects to a long outdoor terrace, creating a fluid indoor-outdoor experience. The terrace serves as a versatile space for various activities, from relaxing with a view to hosting outdoor dinners, or even serving as a picturesque backdrop for wedding photos. The outdoor area also includes a swimming pool and a barbecue zone, complete with access to an elevated outdoor shower. These features enhance the villa's appeal as both a vacation retreat and an event venue. The materials used in Casa Gana reflect a focus on sustainability and aesthetic harmony. The exterior walls are finished with a plaster texture pressed with coarse sand, creating a natural and neutral look. Natural wood elements add warmth to the design, while black accents in the interior bring a touch of modern luxury. Tempered glass windows on the west side ensure unobstructed views of the surroundings, fostering a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The second floor is dedicated entirely to privacy and relaxation. 2 bedrooms in the northern section overlook a peaceful garden, while the master bedroom includes an indoor bathtub designed for ultimate comfort with a view of the greenery. One of the highlights of this floor is the rooftop terrace. This multifunctional space is perfect for private relaxation or hosting wedding ceremonies. A separate outdoor staircase provides direct access to the rooftop, allowing wedding guests to enter smoothly without disrupting the indoor flow. Casa Gana exemplifies architecture that seamlessly combines aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. This villa not only offers comfort as a vacation retreat, but also provides the perfect setting for special events like weddings. With its flexible design, thoughtfully chosen materials, and harmonious integration with nature, Casa Gana promises an unforgettable experience for its residents and guests alike. What do you think of this stunning villa? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Block 7 for more design inspiration. See you in the next video.